Today we're going to build an LDR circuit, that's a light-dependent resistor circuit, that buzzes when it's exposed to light.
In other words,
Flashlight tag.
So, tell us how our flashlight tag game works.
So one hides this detector.
and then the players search for this detector in the dark.
And when one of the flashlights shines on the detector,
the buzzer goes off.
shall we demonstrate? If we turn off the lights, I can attach the battery, and then we'll see if this thing works. Go ahead, boys. Oh my goodness. So let's see how this works. If you don't already know how to use a breadboard, check out our video. Otherwise, have a look here. The key to this little circuit is the light-dependent resistor here, LDR for short. A light-dependent resistor changes its resistance depending on how much light is hitting it. The more light that hits it, the more electricity it allows to pass through. Here's how an LDR works in a circuit. If you have a simple complete circuit with just a battery and a buzzer, electricity will flow through the circuit and sound the alarm. Now, let's see what happens if we include a light-dependent resistor in series with the alarm in this circuit. In this case, if there's no light hitting the LDR, it will resist the flow of electricity and the buzzer will not sound. If light hits the LDR, it allows electricity to flow, once again powering the buzzer. We started wiring up exactly that circuit to build our detector, but it wasn't very sensitive. A flashlight had to be within a few inches of the detector to make it work. So we added a MOSFET to make it more sensitive. In order to amplify the signal from the light-dependent resistor, we once again used a MOSFET to boost the weak current from the LDR. Adults can also check out the wiring directions for this project at our website, geekpackhack.com. Here again is our final circuit. We said before that this is the light-dependent resistor, here is the MOSFET, and here is the buzzer. This, of course, is the battery powering the circuit. Now we can set off our alarm from more than 10 feet away.
Let's try it out.
All right, I'll hide the detector, and we'll see which one of you can find it first. See our website at geekpackhack.com for info on supplies and project guidance for adults. Please leave us a comment to let us know what you think, and send us your ideas for wacky hacks. If you enjoy our show, don't forget to subscribe and give us the thumbs up.